Today we are taking a deep dive on the brand new KOSPET ORB 2 that is launching today at a surprisingly really low price. And spoiler alert, we are talking about less than £70 or $70. And we're talking about a rugged smartwatch with AMOLED screen, GPS and with a built-in LED flash. This thing is punching way above its price bracket. I have been using it for the last few weeks, every single day, sleeping with it, having a shower with it every single day. I will share my opinion with you guys. And to be honest, I'm really impressed how much KOSPET was able to squeeze into a budget-friendly, rugged watch. Yago here, welcome back, or welcome, and if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. Let's start the review. The ORB 2 immediately stands out with this rugged yet lightweight build. It weighs around 40 grams, ultra light for comfortable all-day wear, and that's exactly how I feel on the wrist. The polymer body combined with the zinc alloy bezel gives you a tough, military-inspired look while staying comfortable enough for everyday use. The display is one of the strongest features. You are getting a 1.43 inches AMOLED screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, and the brightness reaches up to 1000 nits. It offers sunlight-readable clarity, and during my outdoor filming, the screen remained perfectly visible even under direct sunlight. The anti-fingerprint coating helps keep it clean, and the colors are vibrant and sharp. Durability is where the ORB 2 really earns its rugged title. It has been tested by SGS, Europe's leading independent lab, and meets the 12 US MIL STD at 110H standards. This means it's built to withstand drops, shocks, dust, and extreme environments. The watch is also rated 5 ATM and IP69 for water resistant, making it safe for swimming, rain, and harsh outdoor conditions. I perform tests, scratch tests, and water exposure tests. I shower with the watch every single day. I swim with the watch, and the Gorilla Glass held up, and the body showed no structural weakness. For a watch under $70 or £70, this level of rugged certification is rare and genuinely impressive. The ORB 2 features a dual-band GPS using L1 and L5 signals, along with support for 6 GNSS systems including GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, Beidou, KZSS, and NAV-LC. This combination provides faster and more accurate positioning, especially in challenging environments like forests or urban areas. I tested the GPS during outdoor walks and runs. The route tracking was accurate, and syncing with the Apex Move app was smooth. The watch supports over 170 sport modes, and it can automatically recognize 6 common activities such as walking, running, cycling, and rowing. It also integrates with Apple Health and Strava on iOS, and Samsung Health, Google Fit, and Strava on Android, giving you flexibility no matter what phone you use. Health tracking is powered by the VC9213 4PD sensor, which tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, mood, and sleep. It offers 24 hours monitoring and alerts for high or low heart rate and low blood oxygen. I wore the ORB 2 for several days and compared the readings with another smartwatch, my Apple Watch. The heart rate and CO2 readings were consistent, and the sleep tracking correctly identified the REM cycles and naps. The Apex Move app displays all this data clearly, and you can customize the homepage layout to show the metrics you care about most. It also includes breathing exercises, human health tracking, and weight management features. One of the most unique features of the ORB 2 is the built-in LED flashlight with 5 brightness levels. It is ideal for dark environments, night work, repairs, camping, and emergencies. It is one of those features you don't think you need until you have it. The watch also includes compass, walkie-talkie, stopwatch, timer, alarms, morning brief, calculator, voice assistant, Bluetooth calling, and notifications. Android users get quick replay support. You have also daily tools like sedentary reminders, water reminders, weather updates, emergency SOS, raise to wake, and cover to lock. Make it a practical everyday companion. Battery life is one of the strongest selling points. The Orb 2 uses a 500 mAh pure cobalt battery, and it can last up to 13 to 16 days with typical use, 9 to 12 days with heavy use, 4 to 6 days with always-on display, 25 to 35 hours of continuous GPS, and 7 to 8 hours of continuous flashlight use. In my real-world use, I charge it once, and after several days of GPS testing, workouts, notifications, and flashlight use, I still had plenty of battery left. Charging it takes around 2 hours using the magnetic cable included in the box. Looking at the price, for the UK, for the US, or for Europe, the price is the same. $69.99 for the US, £69.99 for the UK, and 69.99 euros for the rest of Europe. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the description, so please use them, it doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Let's carry on with the review. The Apex Move app is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. You can customize the homepage layout, view detailed health data, check workout history, and browse the watch face store. The store includes downloadable faces, ratings, and full DIY customization options. The app also offers training plans for IROCs, marathons, and other fitness goals, making the Orb 2 feel more premium than price suggests. So, is the KOSPET Orb 2 worth it? Absolutely. For just $69.99 or pounds, you are getting a military-grade durability, dual-band GPS, and bright AMOLED display, long battery life, a built-in flashlight, and a full suite of health and fitness features. It's perfect for beginners, travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a rugged smartwatch without spending hundreds of dollars. The Orb 2 is easily one of the best rugged smartwatches of 2026. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the KOSPET Orb 2. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description for this product, so if you want to buy it, use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.